Kev told me his story, and I was kind of inspired, and I asked him some questions, and I said, look, whilst we're filming Through Irish Eyes, why don't we make a documentary? 2 years later, we are here. So it really is full circle.
This day last year was incredibly special. We held the premiere for The Next Step, a mid-length documentary following Unity Irish Dance and Anglo Irish Productions as they set to put on their first production, whilst exploring the challenges along the way and celebrating this beautiful, beautiful art. So the story goes like this. At the start of the summer in 2022, I met with Kevin in the Mac Theatre. We were there to discuss the logistics of filming Through Irish Eyes, Anglo Irish's first full production in the Mac Theatre. By the end of the conversation, we had agreed to film. We'd worked out all the logistics. But because I didn't really know Kev that much at that time, I asked him some questions. I wanted to know more about his story. And by the end of that conversation, I was really taken back. I was surprised and I was a little bit emotional. And without giving too much away, there was a lot of challenge in what Kev was saying. And there was a little bit of uncertainty for his future. So I said to him point blank, I was like, well look, since we're filming this show and the setup, the rehearsals, all that, why don't we explore a documentary? Kevin was very, very open to this, and it was only a month later we actually filmed the principal master interview of Kevin.
I'd already premeditated it. I already knew that this is what I wanted to do.
It's been so much fun to film. 2 years. The first draft was 15 minutes. We aimed for 10, and now we're here 34 minutes.
So right back where we met to discuss this, we premiered The Next Step. It's been a 2-year journey. It has been a massive learning curve. I've learned so much during this, and that's really what I wanted to get from this, but also tell Kevin's story, the impact that Kev and Adele has made in the performative Irish dance world, and also the building of Anglo Irish Productions, the journey that Kev, Adele and Barry are on. If I'm being honest, for me this is really quite special. I ticked off a massive goal of mine, which was to premiere a significant piece of work to the people I love, to the people that appreciate this art, and yeah, have just supported me. I'm incredibly grateful for this opportunity, and yeah, thanks for checking it out.